Good day, students. Welcome back to English class with Miss Abiola. In our previous lesson, we talked about adjective, types of adjective, and how this adjective function within a sentence. So we said an adjective is a word that can be modified, that can modify noun or pronoun. We also mention their types like descriptive, possessive, demonstrative, and so on. We also mention how they function within a sentence. We mention of three aspects that they can function as attributive, they can function as predicative, and they can also function as nominal. So today we'll be talking about we are still on adjective though. We'll be talking about gradable and non-gradable adjective. So please stay tuned to the end of the class. I promise you will learn a lot from this class. Thank you. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to tell us what gradable and non-gradable adjective is, differentiate between gradable and non-gradable adjective, use modifiers such as unique, perfect, absolute, and extreme with non-gradable adjective. Construct sentence using gradable adjective to describe people, places, and things. Gradable adjective. Tell me, when you hear the word gradable, what comes to your mind? Gradable means when something is being measured or when something can be measured, when something can be graded, when you can grade something that can be graded is gradable. So when it also comes to adjective. A gradable adjectives are adjectives that describe quality that can be measured or compared. They can be used in comparative and superlative form to show their degree of quality. They can be made stronger or weaker using adjectives like very, quite, rather, extremely, fairly, slightly, and so on. Examples of gradable adjective. We have big, funny, angry, scared, cold, and we can also use it in a sentence. Look at the way we can see it on our screen how it's used in a sentence. Look at number the first one, which is Ibadan is a big city. The joke you told me is very funny, and you can also go through the rest. Non-gradable adjective. Non-gradable adjective. When you hear the word non-gradable, what comes to your mind? We said gradable as things are those things that can be measured or that can be graded. So definition non-gradable are those things that cannot be graded or measured. Non-gradable adjective describe absolute quality. They describe absolute quality. Non-gradable adjective are adjectives that cannot be compared or measured. They cannot be compared or measured in degree. They cannot be compared or measured in degree. They don't take superlative or comparative. They don't take superlative or comparative form and cannot be modified by adverb of they cannot be modified by an adverb of degree like very or quite. But they can only be modified by an adverb of degree like completely, extremely, utterly, entirely, and so on. They can also be called qualifying adjective. They can also be called qualifying adjectives. Non-gradable adjective has two types, which are number one, extreme non-gradable adjective. Number two, absolute non-gradable adjective. Extreme adjective. Extreme adjective express high degree. It express a high degree. Examples: numerous. Numerous means something that is very big and fantastic. Fantastic means something that is very good. When he says fantastic, wow, you did a fantastic job. Definitely you have done a good job, a very good job. This adjective usually combined with adverb like absolutely, really, or completely. Absolute non-gradable adjective. Absolute non-gradable adjectives are adjectives that describe quality that are either present or not. They describe qualities that are either present or not. They describe qualities that are either in existence or not, such as dead, married, unique, perfect or perfect. They often work with adverbs like they work with adverb of degree like almost, truly, or completely to show their extent. So absolute non-gradable adjectives, they describe quality. They let us know the grade, the degree of quality something is. Okay, let's check the examples. Okay, we said number one is extreme, uh, which is enormous. Enormous. So when you say the word enormous, it means something that is very what? That is very big. So the elephant is absolute enormous. So let's look at the second one, which is the second type of non-gradable adjective is what? Absolute. Look at the word dead. Dead. Look at the sentence. The plant is almost dead. We can't say the plant is very dead, or we can't say the plant is quite dead. Are you getting this? Let's move to the second one, absolute. Look at it, perfect. This answer is truly perfect. We cannot say this answer is very perfect or quite perfect. Are you getting? So look at the second one, married. We are really married. We can't say we are quite married or we are very married. Are you with me now? That's a good one. The difference between gradable and non-gradable adjective. Gradable adjective accept range of adverb. They accept range of adverb of degree, like very or unique, and they take a form of superlative, comparative, and superlative. While non-gradable adjectives only use adverb, they only use adverb in expressing certainty. They use adverb in expressing what? Certainty or completeness like absolutely. Or completeness, they take use of adverb with degree like absolutely, really, or almost. And they don't take the form of superlative or comparative.
In conclusion, gradable adjectives describe quality that varies in degree. They describe quality that varies in degree. They can be measured. Yes, they can be measured. You can use adverb of degree like very, quite, a bit, extremely with them. Example, very cold. We can say very cold. We can say extremely cold. Are you getting? So let's use the word tall. We can say quite tall, very tall. You get the so let's go to we can say it's absolute tall or absolute cold. So let's go to non-gradable adjective. Non-gradable adjectives are adjectives that describe what? They describe absolute or extreme quality. They describe absolute or extreme quality. They cannot vary in degree. They cannot vary in degree. They can use adverb of degree like very, quite with them. They can only take use of adverb like absolute, completely, and so on with them. Example, we can't say very, very, very perfect. We can only say absolute perfect. We can't say very dead. We can say absolute dead or almost dead, and so on. Assignment. What is gradable and non-gradable adjective? Differentiate between gradable and non-gradable adjective. Use modifiers such as unique, perfect, quality, absolute, extreme with non-gradable adjective correctly. Construct sentence using gradable adjective to describe people, place, and things. Thank you. Thank you all. See you in our next class. Bye.